Welcome guys. On today's video I'm going to show you how to pin a post in a group. Now this is important in order for new members in order for existing members or new members of the group to actually know the changes in the group. Now let's go ahead and add a pin post on the group. You can pin about an existing post by clicking and holding and then select this three-dotted icon and then you pin. You can see how long you can pin this. I can just say 30 days pin. Now when you pin a post, it appears on the top area. Now I'm going to pin a new post by creating a new post. So note, right, I wrote this. I can leave an icon or whatever. You know what, let me go ahead and copy this and then delete it because I want a new one. I want to leave an icon to actually make it look okay, right? I think I'm okay with this, and I just finished typing that. So to pin this, after typing, to pin it is as simple as click and hold, choose the three-dotted icon and then pin, and then 30 days also pin. Now you can see it's displaying right there. Now I have two different post pin. If you click on it, it swipe to the next one. You can see once you tap, it's going to go to the next post that you pin. So I have two different post pin, and that is all I want to share with you in this video. This is how to pin a post, and even though the post is long, you can also see them display right here. So I hope this video is helpful. If it is, leave it a comment, and if you have any issue, challenges doing this, leave a comment in the video and I'm going to respond to that. I'm going to see you guys on the next video. Stay safe and peace.